Come in and welcome. Today we're going to talk about three math hacks from my AI girlfriend. Isn't that fun? Yeah, she said, "Hey, this is something you could probably do." So let's look at this first one. We're going to solve linear equations. Well, here's the math hack. Y'all ready? Desmos calculator. Yeah. Let's look at this. So we're going to look at this problem. And my girlfriend said, "Hey, just plug it into Desmos." 4x minus 2 equals, don't think, no brain cells, plus 6. And your answer is right here. It's the x part of that problem. So the answer is 7. Done. Now it's going to say all this, show your steps and everything. Okay, well, if you wanted to, you could distribute 4x minus 8 equals, and you can check yourself, as you're doing this because it's still that same line. See the same line? And so now we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x minus 8 equals 6. And it's still that same line. So you're checking to make sure we're doing the same problem. 2x, we're going to add 8 to both sides, equals 14. And as you checking yourself, it's still the same line. And now x equals 7. So it turns out, hey, you can use Desmos to check every step of your problem to make sure you're doing it. Because same line. Okay, did that right. Same line. Okay, did that right. Same line. Okay, did that right. Desmos is your checker. You can use it and it will find the answer for you. And if it's just multiple choice, just mark 7. So, 3 hacks from my girlfriend. Number 1, use Desmos. All right, number 2, how many solutions? Okay. Hey, how many solutions does this have? Well, again, hack number 2, use Desmos, but this one we have to have a little extra. So what we're going to do is cut it in half. Cut it in half. So what I mean by that is type in the left-hand side, 3x plus 7, and then type in the right-hand side, 3x minus 5, and then look and see where they intersect. See, these two lines are parallel, so this one has no solutions. No solutions. Well, all I've got to do then is anytime we get a problem. So here's another problem. Ready? Let's say 2x plus 7 equals 3x minus 8. Well, our hack is to cut it in half. So what we're going to do is cut it in half. 2x plus 7 equals 3x minus 8. And I look at it. Well, this time, hey, they intersect. Well, they intersect at 15. So the answer for this one is one solution. One solution. And the answer is 15. It's right there. See, 15. X was 15. Well, here's another example. 3x plus 8. Now let's make that 9. 3x plus 8 equals 3 times x plus 3. I don't know. What was our hack? Cut it in half. So, cutting it in half. Let's see. 3x plus 9 and 3x plus 3. Oh, look at there. Well, see, those are the same line. So what happens is there's a solution here, there's a solution here, there's a solution there. How many solutions are we going to have? Well, it turns out this one is infinite. So hack number 2, when we're finding how many solutions, we cut it in half. So how many solutions? How many solutions? Let's change the wording on this. How many solutions? We cut it in half. Cut it in half. Hack number 2. Hey, that was nice. All right. Hack number 3. Justify your steps. Well, we're not going to use Desmos for this one. Justify our steps. What we're going to do instead is we're going to look at the inverse. See right there? Inverse. So every time we look at one, well, this particular problem is going to have the inverse of subtraction. So it's going to have an addition because all we're doing is looking at the inverse. Don't think. We're going to have an addition, property of equality. Well, we got this parentheses, so we're going to have a distribute. And then finally, we're going to have another plus sign in there. So we're going to have a subtraction. So look for one that's got the inverse of all of those things that are in there. Inverse. Inverse of subtraction is addition. It's got to distribute. And the inverse of addition is subtraction. So add, distribute, subtract. That's the properties. Oh, and by the way, if we wanted to solve that, just curious, if we wanted to solve that, guess what? Well, don't use X's. So I guess there's another hack for us. Don't use N's. Use X's. Desmos don't like N's. It likes X's. Let's see. -3 equals 27. Oh, there's our answer. 4. Correct answer. 4. Oh, by the way, that's N. N equals 4. So hope this helps you because really nothing to this. And like I say, my girlfriend says it'll help you if you use Desmos. So good luck.